Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Cheetah Task Force constituted. Recently, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change constituted a task force for monitoring cheetahs. The task force has been constituted with the purpose of reviewing and monitoring the progress and health status of cheetahs. It will monitor cheetah introduction in Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. The National Tiger Conservation Authority or NTCA would facilitate the working of the Cheetah Task Force and render all necessary help. Now, information about the task force. The task force will be in force for a period of 2 years. It may appoint a subcommittee to regularly visit the cheetah introduction area as and when decided by them. It will also look over the upkeep of the quarantine and soft release enclosures, protection status of the entire area, adherence to the defined protocols by forest and veterinary officials, and advice on cheetah introduction in India to the Madhya Pradesh Forest Department and NTCA. Now let's discuss about cheetah restoration in India. India on September 17, 2022 welcomed 8 African cheetahs from Namibia as part of the Cheetah Restoration Project. Cheetah restoration is part of a prototype or model for the restoration of original cheetah habitats and their biodiversity. This is aimed at putting a check on degradation and rapid loss of biodiversity. Bringing back a top predator restores historic evolutionary balance, resulting in cascading effects on various levels of the ecosystem.